Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another slime video. Joelle's playing the game.
This is so satisfying. Dunk on it. Forget it. Forget it. I'm just gonna drop some. Put both your hands in the video.
You know, I can magically make a slime appear in my hands. Made it appear.
So satisfying.
Your hands are in the video now.
I know.
Wait, what's your school's name? Eagle?
No,
Middle Park. Everybody who goes to Middle Park Elementary, make sure you say hi to Joshua.
Okay, get away.
He's my cousin. Yeah, okay, so he's trying to get this slime off his hand.
Jesus.
If you guys are wondering, I'm literally like holding it with my chin because I literally just got this new thingamajiggy. Let me take it off.
It's like kind of a bow, sort of.
It's like a bow and arrow, and I'm just like hooking you up to this and holding this on my chin,
Tony,
so I can take a video.
The string will get stuck. Hello.
So let me put you guys back on my chin. See the fire does the slime.
Don't do that with the light.
I was wondering what fire did to slime.
Don't put the light there. Please,
What does
don't
it do?
use the light.
Okay, it didn't really do anything.
Oh my god. Get it. He's gotta slap it fast.
Give me.
I just gotta stop. I just gotta do this.
You're making it worse. Can you do me a favor and hold this? Hold it like this. Go behind me and hold it like this.
Why?
Hold these. Go behind me and put your arms across and hold it like that.
No,
And keep it like that. Okay, no, just hold
One hand.
No, don't show
I'm gonna
me in the video. They already know what I look like. What's up, y'all? Make sure you check out my
Okay, your
Twitter.
hair looks crazy right now, so.
Make sure you check out my Twitter, Antonio Martin. I put out some lit shit up in the. Make sure you go look. Now, please go behind and film the slime, not me.
Okay, fine. Jesus Christ.
Go behind. Film the slime. Film the slime. Just. You can't reach your other hand around.
Yes, I can.
Okay, well, put both of your hands. Listen.
I understand. I got it.
Okay, we'll understand a little bit more. Okay, cameraman, you're not a really good one. You're not supposed to show me right now. Just show the slime. Make sure your eyes are on the slime. Make sure they can see the slime.
I'm just gonna help you with that.
You know, this video kind of sucks because it doesn't really look like any other video. I just make good content.
No, you don't. Not really good, but okay. Jesus,
You want to see me?
that is a lot of slime.
Y'all want to see me make a bubble? I got to say.
What the heck?
I want to see me make a bubble.
Jesus. Anyway, if you guys are wondering, this is what we are using.
Slime. I got this from Target. You can get it from Walmart, your local stores. But I added these little. Cameraman, can you keep it on the slime when I'm talking?
Okay, I'm trying to.
So I'm the one who put these little eyeballs and
Show it.
beads and foam beads, some glitter, and I also put some
Give me a bead.
some
So I
I
can
also
show
put
them.
some purple things in here that I'm trying to show you, but I cannot find them, so it kind of sucks.
Is it I?
I'll tell you when I find one. Oh, I found one. These little purple things, and they're all in the slime, and Joel just got his hand stuck.
Right there. Is it I?
Joel's playing my
And here's
game.
a little purple thing.
Oh, and if you guys, cameraman, And if you guys want me to make some gaming, like some little gaming videos, comment down below and I will start.
Tell what
doing
content
that.
you're gonna. Tell what content that you're gonna show at the gaming.
Like what kind of games?
Yeah.
I can play Detroit. I'm already like in the middle of the season, so it's not gonna.
So you're gonna
it's
have
not
to
be-
restart.
So it's not gonna. No, I'm not restarting my Detroit.
You have
So it's not
to
gonna be
for
the
good
beginning.
content. You have to go to the beginning for good content. You don't want good content?
A little bit good. Okay, so I can play Detroit, Heavy Rain, Beyond Two Souls, Hello Neighbor, GTA. That's pretty much it. I don't have
You
any
could,
other
and he
games.
could do walkthroughs on many of those.
Yeah. Well, and Josh, he got me this other game.
Minecraft Story Mode.
which Josh, he's not trying to be rude, but it's literally just a story. I can get it on Netflix.
I know, but I got you a full one, so you don't have to buy any of the other ones.
I know, but you can get it on Netflix.
I know, but that one you can actually play the game, and it's actually more fun because you get
How's
to
it
choose.
fun? You're like, oh, give me that.
Can you stop?
Stop.
Anyway, this video.
Whoa. That's slapped
Yep.
it. So guys, don't show anybody that doesn't want to be shown on YouTube.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, Jesus! I need to get this slime off my hands.
Whoa, Livy, Joshy, what did you leave over there?
I didn't even leave anything. Dip her hands in this really fast. Mom, get over here. Go like this. Go like this, and then just get all that slime off.
Yeah, that's what I do. Look, watch. I'm
Oh my God.
right now.
That was a bad camera angle. Oh my God, so many people are gonna hate
Come on,
that.
hurry up,
Jesus.
stick it fast.
Anyway. Yep.
Yeah, can I have a piece? That would be much easier.
No.
Oh man.
Okay. Mike, do you want to be shown on YouTube?
No, she does not.
Olivia, let go. Go like that.
Olivia, stop. Grandma, your table's already messed up. Okay, Libby, stop.
I got it off. Joy, don't. Joel. So, just go like this. Just go like this.
Alright,
Sorry guys for the bad camera angles. Joey keeps on, no, let go.
Joey, oh my God, you too?
Come on,
Yo,
guys.
Joey.
Let's keep your hands. We gotta get going. Daddy's tired.
You ruined my life.
He can sleep here.
Grandma, I'm
I
hungry.
ain't not laughing like that. At least you get smelled when I laugh.
Grandma, I want to go somewhere.
Little more than laugh.
He finds that shit hilarious. I'm like, he's heartbroken. You see, he's completely heartbroken. What
Okay, that's it. No more.
Sorry for the bad camera angles. I still have slime on my hands.
Oh,
Sorry.
did you literally just like... Okay, I'm the cameraman for right now. Let me stop. Cameraman.
Now we have a new cameraman.
Me. No, it's not. This is my channel. This is my money, my job. I have a job. Josh, you do you. Wait, Joshy.
I will still
Me and
become
Joshy,
YouTuber.
yes. Me and Joshy will have our own channel. Me and Joshy. We will be doing gaming.
12 minutes.
We will be doing gaming. We will be
Fortnite,
doing
maybe.
Fortnite, but there's gonna be little more. Well, if we play Fortnite, we have to take turns on Fortnite, and I don't really think we will. So it'll probably be like
And guys, don't make fun of our skills because we are
Have
not
none.
experienced
Every
players.
time I get it off my hand.
I am. It's so easy. Do you know how many PUBG wins I have? I have like
PUBG is not the
Here,
same.
hold on. Let me see because it's melting because it's small. Move. It's different when it's the bigger one. See, it's easier. It just took it right off. I'm over here fighting with the little piece.
Yeah.
And it's
cameraman
melting
getting
into
the
my
mangles.
hand, but it's much easier when you do it.
Don't.
You
oh my
guys
God.
better like these videos.
Don't say that. Don't.
I'm gonna.
Are you guys not really recording a video?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are.
Why?
YouTube.
You don't have permission to record this. I'm gonna record it, and then they'll cut it off.
What?
They would
What
delete
you mean?
your YouTube channel if she does though.
They'll just fight it.
Oh,
No.
Why didn't you pause it?
No, it's
Tony, why
because
didn't you pause it?
I'm not showing nobody's faces. I'm just showing the slime.
You're showing my beautifully
Done hand.
polished manicure
Yes.
2 weeks in.
And I told them about my YouTube channel that I will soon have. So guys, please when my YouTube channel
Alright, okay.
does come out,
Yes, when
please subscribe.
our YouTube channel comes out. Look, listen. Look, guys. Look, this is how you know the difference. When the camera stays still, and then this is how you know someone's holding the camera. If the camera shakes a little bit or something. That's how you know the difference.